Hello guys, today I want to tell you about a small improvement released in this week's version of Laravel 9.32 by Nuno Maduro, and this is, as I said, a small improvement, but one of the most celebrated in recent years or months in Laravel community. So this pull request received that many reactions and thumbs up. And this is related to well-known DD function in Laravel, which we all like and use for debugging, right? So let me demonstrate it to you. Imagine you have a DD somewhere to debug your code. It may be in the controller, it may be in some kind of internal class, it may be in Blade, wherever. You have DD. And you expect something like this to be resulted. So for example, instead of here, you would have user controller index. So you would know where that DD comes from. This is what I've been doing for years. Or you can DD users, for example, here like this. And one of the typical ways of debugging the situation would be to put DD in a few places in your code, in the controller, in the service and elsewhere, and then debug which part is actually triggered. For that to happen, I actually needed to put in like users controller here, something like that. And now in Laravel 9.32, you don't need to specify where that DD comes from because DD will automatically inform you. So let me demonstrate it to you and also demonstrate how to upgrade the Laravel version and how to check Laravel version even. So here I am in a demo project which I created like a month ago or so. So it's a little bit older Laravel version. And how do you check which Laravel version you have? Of course, you know it's Laravel 9, but which part of Laravel 9? Is it Laravel 9.25 or 9.12 or whatever? There are at least two ways. If you are on the version later than Laravel 9.21 from what I remember, you have artisan command php artisan about, which tells a lot about your project, including Laravel version. So here I have 9.30.1. But if you want just the version of Laravel without artisan about, or if you are on earlier Laravel version, like Laravel 8 or Laravel 9.1 or something, you can run php artisan -- version. And it will return just the version for you. So that's how you check the Laravel version. Now, how do you upgrade? I assume in Composer JSON you have something like this. So Laravel framework and then the version 9.19 with this symbol, which means it would take the latest Laravel version from 9. Whatever. So if there is 9.32 released, in our case, it would upgrade to Laravel 9.32. So all you need to run is actually Composer update. It would update all the packages listed in your Composer JSON, check for newest versions, including Laravel framework itself. So Composer update, and we should see somewhere, yep, Laravel framework 9.32 from 9.30.1. Okay, so we have upgraded. And now let's just refresh the page with the same DD. I'll remind you this is our DD in the controller, and we refresh the page. And we have this, we have users controller with mentioning the exact file and the exact line where that DD comes from. So now if you have multiple DDs all over your code, you would know exactly where to look for them. Of course, it also will help if you leave DD accidentally and forget to remove it after debugging, so that's also a big help in that case. So this is a small improvement in Laravel 9.32. Also related, if you want some more stuff on top of DD, I have a review of a tool called Spotty Ray. It's not a free tool, but it makes your debugging a bit more pleasurable with more tools around that. So I will link that in the description below. It's not free, but I'm not affiliated with that. I don't get paid for this review, but I sometimes use Ray instead of DD for more convenience. And if you want to find out more news about Laravel, of course, subscribe to the channel and also visit my laraveldaily.com newly refreshed portal where I will also inform you about the news. Like this, for example, in Laravel 9.25, there was update on touch method on query builder. That's it for this time and see you guys in other videos.